Droughts amplify antibiotic resistance. Climate change fuels superbug, spread rising temperatures, and prolonged droughts are creating ideal conditions for the evolution and proliferation of antibiotic-resistant bacteria, according to new research. The study reveals a clear link between arid conditions, increased concentrations of antibiotics in the soil, and the subsequent rise in drug-resistant microbes. This isn't merely an environmental concern. It's a direct threat to human health, as these resistant genes are already appearing in pathogens found in hospitals worldwide. How drought drives resistance. The core of the problem lies in evolutionary pressure. As soils dry out, the concentration of naturally occurring antibiotics produced by bacteria increases. This heightened concentration doesn't kill all microbes. Instead, it selectively favors those with existing resistance mechanisms. The study, led by Diane Newman at Caltech, demonstrated this in lab settings where artificially induced drought conditions led to a clear surge in antibiotic-resistant bacterial populations. The mechanics are simple. When antibiotics are more concentrated in the environment, susceptible bacteria die off, while those with resistance traits thrive. This survival advantage isn't just theoretical. Researchers found that antibiotic resistance genes were more prevalent in soil samples after periods of drought and less prevalent when conditions returned to normal. The global connection, soil to human infections. What makes this alarming is the ease with which these resistant genes spread. Bacteria readily share genetic material through a process called horizontal gene transfer. This means resistance traits developed in soil microbes can quickly jump to pathogens that infect humans. Researchers identified exact matches between resistance genes in soil bacteria and those found in common hospital-acquired infections like Enterococcus faecium and Klebsiella pneumoniae. The study analyzed global data from hospitals and climate records, revealing a disturbing trend. The drier the region, the higher the prevalence of antibiotic-resistant pathogens. This correlation remained significant even when accounting for socioeconomic factors that could influence testing rates. The scale of the problem. A looming crisis. Antibiotic resistance is already a major public health crisis. The World Health Organization estimates that resistant pathogens caused 1.27 million deaths in 2019, contributing to another 4.95 million cases. The new research suggests that climate change will exacerbate this problem by expanding arid regions, thus accelerating the evolution and spread of superbugs. The issue isn't just about droughts. It's about the fundamental way microbes compete for survival. Bacteria have been fighting each other with antibiotics for millennia, and drought intensifies this evolutionary arms race. This isn't a localized problem. No place is immune, according to Newman, as resistant strains can spread rapidly across borders. What can be done? While the situation is grim, it's not hopeless. The researchers emphasize the need for 3 key actions: climate mitigation, reducing greenhouse gas emissions to limit further aridification, rapid diagnostics, improving access to faster testing in clinics to identify and treat resistant infections more quickly, drug discovery, increasing funding for basic research into new antibiotics, as pharmaceutical companies have largely abandoned this field due to low profitability. This is not the time for governments to stop funding scientific research and drug discovery, says Newman. The future of antibiotic effectiveness depends on sustained investment in understanding and combating microbial evolution. The rise of antibiotic-resistant superbugs is a direct consequence of environmental change. Ignoring this link will only accelerate a global health crisis that threatens modern medicine as we know it.